Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be unboxing the GoPro Hero 11. So this GoPro is actually very different from its ancestors, I should say, because it has a new GP2 processor, which makes things so much faster, and it comes with an Enduro battery, which should give it longer battery life. So right now, I'm just gonna unbox it. This box is made like this strip just comes off, and then I guess this opens, and then you could push it out from here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. One of the features that I'm actually really excited about is that this one comes with a carrying case, unlike all the older GoPros. So this carrying case has a GoPro logo on it, and it's a zipper. And let's see what there's inside. So of course there has to be instructions in there on how to use the GoPro and that it should be updated and stuff. And of course the camera itself. So it doesn't come out very easily. I'm just gonna take this out because I need to get the camera out somehow. So one of the things I'm also excited about is that this GoPro has a removable lens like the older GoPros. So now that if I break the lens, I could just buy a new one and not worry about replacing the whole GoPro. Also, this one, in difference to my Hero 8, there's a display in the front, which I'm excited to see how it works. So the other contents of the box are pretty basic. Charger, some mounts, there's the battery that I was talking about, the extended battery life battery called the Enduro battery, and some more mounts. And here's the screw that they put in there in a way so that I can't get it out. This has been the Hero 11 unboxing, and now let's test it out. So now that I've set up the GoPro, I'm just playing around with this stuff. So I actually started the recording from here, and basically there's like 5 different modes, including ultra wide, which I could actually change from the iPad when I'm not recording, and a bunch of other stuff that I could also do, but I can't do anything when I'm recording. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.